This is a 2010 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine. Plus, having just come off lease, this Toyota is in like-new condition. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. This sedan also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.